Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows because that's something that I get complimented on a lot and asked how do I do it. So and I'm also going to try doing like editing in a new way, so let's hope it works out well. I'm taking the typical eyebrow brush that people use and my Morphe brow dip, and I'm getting some of the product and then I'm warming it up in the top of the lid. I find that this actually helps the product apply a lot better. Then going in and carefully sketching a line. I'm not worried about it being too perfect because this is just like a sketching out. All of it's kind of sketching out to perfection. I'm then going in and sketching out the tail around where I want it. I'm then going to sketch out the top line and connect it to the tail and give me a rough idea of what I want. I'm going to proceed by filling in the tail. And then with lighter strokes, I'm going to fill in the body. With the lightest touch, I'm going to then draw a line underneath my eyebrow. I find it important to brush out the hairs and all the harsh lines while I'm doing this so then I can work out exactly how natural or how thick I want it. I think of doing my eyebrows as if I'm doing a sketch, and it's really important to have out your bones of your sketch and take time with it. I'm doing the exact same on the other side, and you can actually see that there are certain parts where I've kind of got bald patches, like right here, and that's from waxing over the years. Remember to brush that baby out. Taking my M14 Morphe brush, Jeffree Star concealer, putting it on the back of my hand so it's nice and warm, and putting that on the brush, and then I'm gonna lightly sketch out the lines for the perfect eyebrow. Yes, we're finally getting to the perfectness. And then I can see where I need to go in and fill out the places where I have missed. Don't worry about being too perfect on the first go because you can go back in with product and concealer and just fix up any mistakes. I accidentally forgot to record me blending out the concealer, but I just used my finger and buff it out. I buff some concealer into the front part of the brow so that it gives it a more natural, realistic type of look. I also seem to frown a lot when I do my eyebrows, which is not good for wrinkles, baby. I also take some eyebrow gel and just put it through my eyebrow because I feel like it gives it more of a definition and 3D look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.